Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change card in Roblox. First of all, open the browser on your phone and go to roblox.com. Then log in with your username and password. Once you are in, tap on the settings icon with the gear symbol in the top right corner of the screen. Then select settings from the drop down menu. After that, choose the payment methods option from the settings menu where your current payments methods are displayed. Now, tap on Add to link a new card to your account. Enter your new card information like the card number, expiration date, and CVV, then double check the details to avoid any errors. After entering everything correctly, tap Save to complete the card update process. Keep in mind that your new card will now be used for any future purchases or subscription on Roblox, so make sure the information is accurate. And that's it, now you know how to change card in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.